In this question, again, the constant part is unknown. We don't know the exact value. But in reverse, they give us this information. They say that there is two different real roots in the equation here. So based on the theory about the nature of roots, if we know that there is two distinct real roots, then which is equivalent to what inside the square root b squared minus 4ac is a positive value. So we are going to write down the logics. Since we find that there are two different real roots or two distinct real roots, therefore we can draw the conclusion. We know that b squared minus 4ac should be positive, larger than 0. The only difference is this is a range. It's not equal to certain value, but it's a range larger than 0. So we expect we will have k is larger than or smaller than something. But anyway, to make good use of this outcome, this implication, we are going to find out what is b, what is a, what is c in this situation. A representing how many x squared, we have 1 time of x squared. B is how many x, we have positive 10 times of x. C is how many constant, that means positive k here. So now we can replace it. Prepare a bracket first for substitution. Something squared minus 4 something something larger than 0. That something is 10, a is 1, c is k. So follow this step. 10 squared, that means 10 times 10, we get 100. Negative 4 times 1, replace it by negative 4. So 100 minus 4k is larger than 0. Afterward, our target is k alone. It seems like make k be the subjects. So I don't want plus 100. I minus both sides by 100. This is cross out. We have negative 4k alone and larger than negative 100. Now I want k, I don't want negative 4. But pay extra attention when you try to divide both sides by negative 4. So write down negative 4k and negative 100 first. We want to take the action, divide both sides by negative 4. And the action that we divide both sides by negative will trigger a change in the direction. It's no longer larger than, but it's become less than. It's because if you consider two numbers, 1 and 3, 3 is larger. But however, if you consider negative 1 and negative 3, negative 1 is larger. So if both items you multiply or divide by negative value, this will trigger a change in the direction. So finally conclude, k is smaller than negative divided by negative give you positive. 100 divided by 4. 100 divided by 4 we get 2, which costs 8, and then the rest is 20. 20 divided by 4 we get 5 and no remainder. So this is 25. Our conclusion is whenever k is smaller than 25, like 24, 23, then we will find two distinct real roots in this equation.